In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a text box in Constant Contact. When you are editing an email in Constant Contact, it is common to add a text block and then later decide you do not need it. Maybe the layout feels crowded, the message is repeated somewhere else, or you want to replace that space with an image or a button. Deleting a text box is quick, but it helps to know exactly where the delete option appears because it only shows up when you interact with the block. Start by locating the text box or text block that you want to remove in your email layout. Move your mouse pointer over that text box and pause there. As you hover, Constant Contact highlights the block and brings up a small toolbar associated with that specific section. This hover action is important because the delete control is hidden until the block is active. Once the toolbar appears, look to the left side of the text block. You will see a trash can icon. This is the delete option for that block. Click the trash can icon one time. As soon as you click it, Constant Contact removes that text box from your layout, and the surrounding content will shift to fill the space. Take a moment to scan the area where the block used to be. This is a good habit, because removing a block can slightly change spacing, especially if you had multiple blocks stacked closely together. If your layout now feels too tight or too open, you can adjust by moving or editing the remaining blocks, but the key action is simply hovering to reveal the toolbar and clicking the trash can icon on the left. One quick tip for accuracy is to make sure you are hovering directly over the correct text box before you delete. In a busy email, it is easy for the wrong block to become active if you are slightly above or below it. Waiting for the correct block to highlight before you click helps you avoid deleting the wrong section. And that is all there is to it.